Hello, everyone. Special unboxing as usual. So the reason I did not buy the Lita bottle from Antonio Gardani, I had this 2 months before that. Me and a few other gentlemen, I was lucky enough to be included in this. Antonio Gardani agreed to do a special release for a prepaid group of bottle for his masterpiece Sandalwood fragrance. I knew about the fragrance when it was released. It was released for a store a year or so ago, and it sold out, of course, right away. Sandalwood masterpiece from Antonio Gardani. I think 50 bottles sold, very highly talked about, but just a lot of his stuff is inaccessible. And he's doing a lot of bespoke, creative stuff, and it's working for him and his style. And so I'm not going to probably not going to review this. We're going to do a couple special things with this one and talk about it. I mean, you guys know I don't like to do na, but I want to give you first impressions and report on the stuff I'm getting. My first year, I wasn't showing this stuff. I got quite a few special bottles. Every once in a while, you'll see them on Instagram, my old cool bottles, but I wasn't talking about this. So it was a big deal. Bryant, thank you, did a ton of work to get this to all of us. He commissioned it, got all of us together. He paid Antonio before most of us, and we PayPal'd him right away. And he took the shipment from Antonio, got it through customs, and then mailed it to all of us. The January scent project, I think this might be the special limited that he just did. John Beeble, so that's gonna be cool to check out. Thank you so much, Bryant. We got the packaging too for this. I got the chills just opening this thing. I know I'm gonna say the name wrong. Wow, we got the full box. I kept calling it 10. It's like El Dieci. Hopefully it's on the bottom. I kept calling it 10 because of the X. When we were talking back and forth for a while, and always got corrected. I want a clean cut here. That's why I like the razor blade too. Just clean cuts. Really cool sticker on top there. Even put the volume on there. It's concentrated at 21%. Getting close to an X straight there. I'll go from the bottom so I don't unseal the sticker. Oh, there it is. 8 of 10. So 10 were commissioned. 8 of 10. Oh, it's Perfume Lounge. So these are the original cards. It had 50 printed on there. So now there's 60 bottles of Dieci. Congratulations, you just opened your limited and numbered box of Dieci. Dieci is the result of combining Italian passion, craftsmanship, and originality with Dutch professionalism and a deep love of perfume. The ultimate woody fragrance with the unmistakable Bogue Perfume signature. We know what that is on this channel. Absolute bliss for connoisseurs and fragrance lovers. A full-body fragrance which opens with a sunny Italian burst of citrus laced with a perverse amounts of costly, sustainable source sandalwood, benzoin resin, harmoniously blended with cypress and pine, spiked with juniper berries and needles. The twist lies in the contrast between the fennel and the beeswax. Enjoy fragrance. Enjoy 2 Dieci. Enjoy life. So that's from Antonio, written up. Wood cap. We still got the special bottles. That's really awesome. Really cool bottle. The etching on the back. I remember seeing a picture of this thing. So I'm okay that he moved away from rubber. Let's spray this on. So if sprayed first. Wow. That's so chilling. So chilling. It's the citrus and woods hit you with the Bogue. My goodness, man. This is really good perfume. Already I could tell this is signature worthy of me, which I knew it would be. I mean, woods is what I want to reflect most. And that's what I do, woods, leather. I mean, those are the ones I grab for 80% of the time. Like if I quit all this and didn't smell, that's the stuff I would wear 80% of the time. Just stuff like this. This is that level. It's really you get the citrus blast, but I'm also smelling the Antonio Bogue. It's classed up. It no dirty, clean wood, classy, refined, professional wood. Just a tad drunken. It's got this funky. It's the green note with the Bogue. I will go through this whole bottle easily. I overpaid for it because of the bespoke. I don't mind at all for the piece of art. It's a piece of art you're buying at this point. So this is the main reason I didn't buy Lita. I already committed to this. The money was already sent, and just I definitely would have bought Lita if it wasn't for this. I'm not going to rank. Me and him are going to plan on. We're not putting a date on it. He's super busy, and I am too. But it's easier for me since I have everything set up for cameras and stuff. He's got the most exclusive Antonio collection. So instead of like neener, haha, we have this. It's going to be more of a talk about his favorite perfumer, one of my channel's favorite perfumers, and just go through and talk about these special concoctions and a relationship with the perfumer over chasing something super, super rare. Get the difference there? Basically, just trusting a perfumer in what he makes and just accepting his art versus going after anything and everything. It is kind of what the conversation is going to be centered around. Maybe you other few guys who got the bottle will join us. Zoom will allow that. That'd be cool. There's your invitation. Anyways, to Dieci. Fantastic piece of art here. It delivers everything. It's way more wearable. Well, we'll see. I'll report back in that live. But right now, you spray on my like I just did, and holy moly, you're really going to be putting out projection CRs like crazy. Same mem. So far, this isn't like that. When I sit down and start working, it might be. We'll see. But the smell's there. Refined, elegant. Definitely his tuxedo piece of art. Everyone be blessed.